Alright, in this video, we're going to learn how to change the prices of our WooCommerce website's products. So here we have a website with over 1200 products, and we need a way to change the prices for our products bulk. So one way of changing a product price would be by opening the product page and changing its price. And we can also do this by clicking on this quick edit link and changing this value. But we need a way to change the prices for all, at least for visible products. So one way of doing that would be, let's say for example that I need to change the price for products that include this specific word. So this is a brand that makes these equipment. So I've searched for this, and what I'm going to do next is click on this checkbox to select all. Then what I'm going to do is click on this drop down menu, choose edit, click apply, and then if we need to set the price by percentage or change it, we can go over to this price, increase existing price by fixed amount or percentage. So what I'm going to do is choose percentage. So we already have prices for our products, right? So if I put a different number, the price will change automatically relatively to the previous price. So let's say that I want to increase the price by 5.22, and let's click update. It might take some time. There we go. As you can see, we have, just to compare, I put these two tabs aside. So here we have the previous price, which is 78,900, and there we have the updated price by percentage. This is how we do it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this useful, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section below. See you next time.